I'm glad I did not brush my hair today or plait it back, because it acts as a really good sunscreen. Happy trees, nice trees. Really fucking humid. Really, really way too humid. And my poor legs. It is very tempting to just go and pitch up right here somewhere. Lots of trees and you can find a flat bit somewhere. The problem is, I want to get up above the humidity, which means going to the top of North Hill. And downhill, I'm maybe 100 and something meters above sea level. Top of North Hill is about 300 meters. It's still hot, it's still humid, but it's a lot less humid than down here. And I am drenched, and not in a nice way. And I'm desperately resisting temptation to dig out the ale. Christ. Every time you go out of the shade and into the sunlight, it's like that scene from Riddick when he's on the prison planet. You feel like you're being incinerated. Yes, I can hear you, you noisy bastard budgie. One of the biggest dangers here is not the nettles or the really steep drop. It's the birds of prey. That might sound like a bit gay in this country, in England, but you get one of those friggin' things dig its claws into your skull because they think that your ponytail is a squirrel. Yeah, it can freak you out. And these little straight sections of footpath, not many of them, but they use them as a runway. And they swoop down really fucking fast. This is the worst section. You can't really see it on my phone, but coming up this bit here, it goes on for about 400 meters. If I hold my walking stick out in front of me at waist height, it's touching the ground, horizontal, because it is that steep a slope. But yeah, it's a nice bit of shade. I'm now roughly 200 meters above sea level, so there is a bit of a breeze coming through the trees, and it helps. I'm sort of soaking wet with sweat, but it helps. And of course, you know the old saying, only mad dogs and Englishmen go out in the midday sun. Well, I thought it was 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's not, it's 2 o'clock, which means I left the house at about 12:30. Yeah, really, really bad time to leave the fucking house. Anyway, at least I can have a nice little break and just ignore my fluids in the bag. I'm not touching anything until I get to a place where I can pitch. If I start drinking fluids now, it's more weight to carry in my belly, it's more sloshing around, it's more things like, you know, I need to go for a piss. So no fluids until I get to wherever the hell. I don't know where I'm going yet. I do know I need to get higher up than this. The occasional break in the trees, and you can see the bit of a difference in the height. Yeah, and that's where I'm going up. Okay. Yeah, this is where I've got to go. It's not so much the stinging nettles and the brambles I'm worried about, it's ticks. It's where it's handy having a stick, my trusty walking stick. Yeah, my leg is so bad right now. It took me 5 minutes just to stand up. So yeah, don't want to kill the ferns, though they grow back pretty quick. I just don't want to get ticks. And they do like hiding in ferns and brambles. Yeah, next time I'm going different route. Can I get through there? Nope. There. I mean, the ferns grow back pretty quick. Okay, my hair is fine, brambles. Should have tied my hair up. Yeah. Shit, fucking brambles. Yeah. Oh, shit. It's actually a wall. Because the brambles will snag your hair and trip you up. But it's the ticks that I worry about more. I think it's this way. Sunlight. Out of sunlight. Where the hell? There. I think. Crap. I don't want to actually walk on the wall. I can't see a bloody thing here. Right. Should really stop and turn my hair back. Can I get through there? Because I want the quickest route out of this lot. And that's more brambles, which means that's the exit. See, I just want to get rid of any cobwebs, ticks, stuff. Yeah. Safe to say, no bug has been up here for a while. At least not on this route. Okay. Oh, fucking brambles. Another thing about wearing shorts is that you can feel if you've got something crawling on you. Shit. How am I going? Right. Yeah, I'm right on a steep slope here. Because that's 15 foot down to that bit. Because that's the other wall. On this side, I think I'm on a wall. This was not here 3 weeks ago. Oh shit. Yeah, I think my boot nearly broke because I was on the corner of it. I can see mushrooms just up there. That means there must be a break in this lot. Fuck. Yeah, I know how steep it is because my boots are actually sliding underneath me. Yeah, a lot of brambles. I mean, yeah, 5 years ago, I'd have just run through it. But that was before 2 crashes. And my hair is snagged with more fucking brambles. Really should have tied my hair back. My legs are getting fucking shredded. Right, this is getting ridiculous. So, I can't keep going holding the phone. Right, I made it out and got a little bit, nothing major, a few. I'm more worried about it attracting bugs, and I've got nothing, no ointment to put on, so I can't be asked. That's fucking hard work. And these are very fucking steep. There's no way am I pitching a hammock here. I need a flat place just in case it does break, and I don't have very far to row down the bloody hill. Down here with the ferns, it's still quite a few bugs. Nowhere near as bad as it was, but there's still a lot of bugs. So give myself a quick brush down and make sure there's no ticks on my hair crawling up. And I am itching like mad all over from being scratched by the bloody brambles. Oh, once more, blah blah blah. As theoretically nice it would be to have these lovely beech, birch, woodlands, with tiny trees at perfect distance between that tree and that tree. 2 things. First of all, any movement, I'm going to be hitting that tree and that tree with the hammock. And I don't want to take the risk of it getting ripped again. Also, doesn't really show on camera, but that is a very steep slope. So I get out for a piss in at night, in all likelihood, I'm going to be falling back down that hill. The zip's going to be facing uphill, but that is such a steep slope. So, and there's nowhere for me to put my little stove up to get a fire going without having to shift a fuck ton of dead leaves, because that is just a fire waiting to happen. And no, I do like old-fashioned walls because they make a really good seat for your ass and very good height to put a little stove on. And you can use a trench to put a hammock up. So I'm going to hop a bit, try and hop. I'm going to try and get over that little fence. Hope it's not electrified. Hear me squeak, that's because it is. And I think there's a place just over there. So, as nice as these, if these woods were more level, then yeah. But it's just too steep. It's a reality. And I should come up here a few years back, exercising. Nice and peaceful, no fucking stench of drugs. Although they do grow it not far down over the hill. And I'm pretty sure this is not electrified. So, funny as how I had an axe one time. I've had several actually that were 6 foot. Shit. I mean, it's an old fence that's not used because it's all smashed down there. So I could give it a stomp and extend my hammock straps. Or I could pop over the wall. Take 10 minutes to climb over. So I can sweat my bollocks off. It just is green on the other side of that wall. I want to avoid as much green as possible. Green means bugs. Whereas up here, not as bad. Right, I am not hitching it over that. I could try back where I was just now. Yeah, what I'll do, I'll go back to where I was just now, those beech and birchy trees, and put the hammock up and just see. It's not like it takes long to put the thing up. So yeah, I'll give that a go.